Hey YouTube, do I have any Spider-Man fans out there? This is what I recently found. Just rummaging through my old storage boxes. Here's the first one. I don't know if I have the complete set or not, but here they are. It's the other Spider-Man truck. Here's Venom. And the last one, Sandman. Just thought I'd show you that real quick. Spider-Man Monster Truck collection. These out of the way real quick. And now on to my brand spanking new haul. First off, I got 2 Matchbox. Add these to my military collection. Got the International MXT MVA and the Sahara Sweeper. Next one, add to my Hot Wheels Police Department collection, Dodge Charger Drift. Another Dodge Ram, 1500. And last but not least, since I have 2 green Screamliners, I had to pick up 2 purple Screamliners. That's all I got for right now. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.